To connect Wix automations to SMS, follow these steps. Access Wix automations. Log into your Wix account and go to your site's dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Automations under the Marketing section. Create an automation. Click on the Create New Automation button. Choose an automation trigger such as when a customer places an order, signs up for your newsletter, or abandons a cart. Define the action that should happen, such as sending a message. Add SMS as an action. After setting the trigger, you will choose the action. Click on Add Action and select Send SMS. If using a third-party provider, follow the steps to connect your SMS service account. Configure your SMS settings. Enter the message content you want to send via SMS, like order updates or reminders. Include variables like the customer's name or order details to personalize the message. Save and activate. Once configured, click Save and activate your automation. Your Wix automation will now send SMS messages to users based on the set triggers.